Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to archive all Instagram posts at once. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app, tap on profile icon and click on three line option. Okay, and tap on account center. Click on your activity and tap on post and select any post and select all post and just tap on archive option. Just tap to archive all Instagram posts at once. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.